What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lena Tay coming to you today with another video. Today's video, I'm going to review the new Esha products. It is the new Prep and Prime Before the Lace. It is the lace glue and it is the glue remover. It was very interesting. I don't think I expected the results that I got. Just to keep it 100 with y'all, I didn't expect the end results. So you guys just gonna have to wait to the end to see what my final thoughts of when it came to the new lace glue. I think the lace glue's been out for maybe a month or two. I think with the coronavirus, it kind of just like been out, but not really promoted heavily like that. I was sent these products to test it out, but I am gonna give you guys my honest review so you guys cannot waste your money or so you guys can go buy. I will talk to you guys in the next video. All right, bye. The point of this video is really to feature some products, some new lace glues that basically came out by Esha. They sell Esha in like the beauty supply stores. I was sent these products. I was sent the primer, and that is to basically guard and prep your hairline and everything before you apply the glue. And then I was sent the glue, and then I was sent the remover. They said that this glue is waterproof, so I'm also going to take a shower with this wig on, especially since it's wet. It's a perfect wig to take a shower and get wet, so we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, so this is how the products look. And this is basically how the wig looks. The lace is pretty good, the hairline is pretty good. It's a little frizzy because I kind of like I plucked the hairline and brushed it all out. So yeah, that's how the wig looks. One thing I don't like about this wig, which they actually have different options. Boy, this front tall is like super short with the parting, so I'm going to have to part it in the middle. What I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna apply a little bit of makeup on the inside and on the top. Now I'm just gonna clean my forehead off. My scalp is sensitive and it will break out. So let's make sure that this prep that they have, that it works. So it says the Esha collagen and vitamin infused. It improves adhesion, protects your hairline, and grows edges, y'all. Protects your hairline and grows edges, y'all. Grows edges. Okay, this is an interesting claim that they have. And they say you're supposed to let it dry all the way, not till it get tacky or anything like that. I prefer it not to be in a spray, honestly. I feel like it should be more like a roll-on thing so you can have more control. Now after that is dry all the way, I'm going to just use my hot comb. Okay, so this is how the hairline looks now. I'm just going to cut the bottom with the back lace. I'm going to cut these side combs out too. I'm literally going to have to go like past my hairline because I have a short hairline. Not too far though, because, you know, like right there. Alright, now I'm going to start placing the glue. So it says Esha Fusion Collagen and Vitamin Infused Lace Wig Bond. Grows and protect edges, fortifies skin. It's water resistant. Apply a thin layer. The glue turns clear, 30 seconds. Apply lace wig on application area. Press for 1 minute or until firmly placed. I'm gonna put a little heat to it while pressing it in. Now I'm gonna pull out where I want baby hairs. I feel like it's just right for you to have baby hairs with curly hair, y'all. I feel like that is just like you just have to, like. Okay, so now that the edges are braided out the way, I feel like this is how you can truly see where you need to like pluck any more at. I'm going to wear a middle part everywhere where I'm going to like hot comb real good. Now I'm going to spray some water. Now I'm just gonna like place some foam lotion. I am going to take this off. Oh, this is super late, y'all. So now I'm gonna clip it out the way. And then I'm going to cut my baby hairs. Let me go ahead and pull them out the way. Okay. Now I'm going to cut the lace. Alright, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I only used 2 other products with the Esha because, honestly, my lace did not hold, okay? It did not hold. So I installed this wig 2 days ago, y'all, No, and I did not sleep with anything on my head. I wanted to try it true and see if it was going to slide and see how long it was going to take to start sliding back, etc, y'all. And they said it was waterproof. So what I did was, when I was taking a shower every day, I was getting my hair wet. I was not even soaking it down, y'all, but I was just like letting it hit the curls. Y'all, it didn't work. It didn't last. Sorry, the glue did not last. That is my conclusion. Like, no, like my ear tabs came up or whatever. I was able to kind of like peel it back. I noticed that my frontal was starting to slide. I had to reinforce it today with Got To Be glue gel. So yeah, y'all, my final result is this glue did not last, y'all. Unfortunately, it protects your edges and all that good stuff, but the hold is not good. Sorry. I used two layers. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I don't know if I did something wrong or they need to do something different or what, but it did not last, y'all. So that is my final conclusion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative and let you guys know, like, give you guys confidence or whether or not you want to try this product. Now, one good thing I can say is that this glue did not break my hairline out. My hairline wasn't itching like it usually does. My hairline didn't feel tight like it usually does. So I felt very, very comfortable wearing this wig, and I do not wear wigs to bed. Barely wear wigs to bed. So that should, I don't know. I think they need to work more on the formula, you know, because I feel like the other glue lasted way longer. The original Esha glue, I feel like that lasted longer in my opinion. So that is my final conclusion when it comes to the new Esha products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.